Let's look at the first statement here. It talks about positive correlation between the population and the total crimes. So let's sort this by the population and let's see if there is some positive correlation. So according to this statement, the most populated city must have the highest number of crimes. So 1254, which is less than the value here, 15, which is less than the value here, 443, which is less than the value here, this is less than this value, this is approximately equal, this is just a bit greater, this is half the value here, this is less than half the value here. So of course there is no positive correlation, and this is when I'm comparing it with just the second most populated city. The values are in fact lower than some of the thinly populated cities as well. So for example, this the value is smaller here. This value is comparable, this value is just a bit less, 20% less, this is higher, this is similar, this is a bit less. So of course there is no clear positive correlation. That's an easy one to eliminate. This statement is definitely false. Range of violent values for violent crimes. Violent crimes, the highest value is 1988 and the lowest value is, I can sort it. Okay, let's sort it. Violent crimes, the smallest value is 1251, 1251. So this is of course 737. Let's find the range of values for assault. So let's sort it by assault this time, and we get the difference as 1342 minus 424, which is higher than this. This is approximately 900, this is 700 something. So this statement is all right. This is true that yes, the range here is less than the range here. The city for which the ratio of incidences of property crime. So ratio of property versus violent property crime versus violent crimes. See, this ratio is more than 4 here. This is 4 plus 5434 upon 1300 something. This is going to be more than 4. 4718 upon this is less than 4. So this is not the highest. This is also less than 4. Here, this is definitely less than 4. This is definitely less than 4. 4580 upon 4 something less than 4. 4389. So 13 fours are 52. This would be less than 4. 16 fours are 64. This is less than 4. 17 fours are 68. Less than 4. And 19 or 20 fours are 80 something. This is definitely less than 4, less than 2, in fact 2.5. So this is the city we are talking about, Cleveland. The city has been identified. The city for which this is maximum is also a city where the arson is maximum. So does Cleveland has maximum number of arson cases? 78. Yes, 78 is the highest of these values. Just to be extra sure, if you want, you can always sort it, and we'll see that yes, 78 is the highest value for Cleveland. So yes, this is also true. The right combination of answers is false, true, true.